everybody, today I'm here to tell you that I love myself. Do you love your own self? When I look in the mirror, what do I see? I see me that nobody could be. I'm precious. I'm happy to be me. My face, my hair, and my attitude. My size, my shape, the color of my skin. Everything make me outside and in. I'm a girl. I'm strong. I'm confident. Happy Girls' Day to every beautiful girl. We girls are beautiful flowers, and I have a flower activity.
Wasn't she beautiful? Well, here's a beautiful flower activity. Let's have a look at the supplies now. We need an A4 sheet, poster colors, brushes, a straw, dropper, glue, and some salt. We need to do some magic. Plan out a flower on a sheet. Ask your child to make a flower, or you can do it for them. I wanted a bigger one, so I helped Muskan with this one. Now ask your child to apply glue along the outline. Using glue is an amazing fine motor activity. It makes their hand muscles stronger. Here's her own little touch. Once done, we sprinkle salt on the sheet as shown. Let it stay for 10 minutes to allow it to set. Now pick up the sheet and pour out the salt. Remove the excess salt. You will see the salt is also taken the outline shape. Now it's coloring time. Take some colors, mix them with water, and gently place the brush on the salt. Children are going to see the magic, how color spreads easily. So while we spoke about flowers, we also spoke about science, about how salt can take in water. Now ask children, what are the other parts of the plant? Here, we used a straw for stem. And some leaf cutouts. What's left? Well, roots. For some roots, we used wool. Ask your child to use a glue stick and place wool over it. If you don't have wool, you can use some wood sticks. You can ask children to paint. You can ask them to color as well. Or they can also do finger dabbing. Now, we use some sticky notes to label these parts of the plant. Stem, leaves, roots, and flower. And we are ready. Flower blossom. Happy Girl Child Day. I am blessed with a beautiful girl. Happy Girl Child Day. I am blessed, grateful and thankful.